I'm Khanh Duc Kuttig, 2021 TESOL Teacher of the Year, and here at TESOL France this year I'll be talking about dogme, ESP and higher education. Now, the dogme approach is conversation-driven, it is materials light, and it focuses on emergent language. And so because of this, teachers in higher education language courses find this approach unsuitable for the courses that they teach. However, dogme encourages critical reflection, analysis, and independent study, things that we expect from university students. Our learners are not simply learners of English, but become explorers. I'll share with you ideas of successful implementation of the dogme approach in a range of university-level courses. And we'll share them on the basis of the following constraints: that all our courses are compulsory, for credit, and time limited. We will also look at some practical ideas for our own teaching so that you have the confidence to leave your coursebook behind and to teach and assess more creatively. See you next week.